Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm about to show you how you can fix crashing and launching issues in Forza Horizon 4. I'll try my best to help you because I just know that it's very annoying and it's a very problematic situation that you are right now. So you just bought the game, you just want to play the game and you can't play the game, and that's very annoying. That's very painful, and I just hate that when I buy a game and I can't really play the game. I can't play the game because there's some problems with crashing and launching and all that stuff. So I'll try my best to help you in this video. I'll share with you what I tried myself for several reasons, and I know what I've tried myself can work for you. I can guarantee you. But yeah, also if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure you subscribe. This will really help a lot. Just if you subscribe, you can unsubscribe if you don't like the content later on. Also, I also post tutorials on different softwares, apps, you know, DaVinci Resolve or other CapCut or any other application. I love creating tutorials, so I really appreciate a subscribe. And now let's jump right into this video. So the first method, what you have to ensure that you have the latest drivers, and please don't overlook this, because just by doing that you can fix the problem. Because I'm pretty sure, like not 100% but like 99% sure that there's no like bug that's causing the game to crash. I'm pretty sure the game can run smoothly without any problem. You just have to ensure that you have the latest drivers. So you can install GeForce Experience if you have this card, if you have a NVIDIA graphic card, and as well as ensure that you have Microsoft Visual C++. I'll leave the links in the description of this video. So just go here, click on this link, install, and then once you install Microsoft that one, install DirectX this one, click on download button, install this, see if it works. But if you don't have this DirectX, make sure you install. Now also upgrade, click on this download to download GeForce Experience. Click on AMD for AMD users. Click on download now. This will help you to install the latest drivers. And also, if you install GeForce Experience, go here to drivers, click on check for updates, and install the latest updates so you can run the game. So you can play the game, enjoy the game, and have fun. But yeah, so you can run the game. So make sure you click on check for updates so you can install the latest drivers. And also click on settings here and click just disable in-game overlay. Now it's pretty good to take screenshots, but you know, if you have problems with crashing, this can, because sometimes this overlay can interact or cause crashing. And you can also go to Windows updates, but hold up here, not really updating your Windows. There's a really interesting setting here. Go to optional updates, and then here driver updates. This list of driver updates were really huge for me. There were like around 20 drivers in this list for me. Now it's only one because I already downloaded and installed them. So click on here and check this button, and then just click on download and install. That's what you gotta do. And now pretty much that's pretty much it. So I really hope, guys, this video helped you. Another way I think that I forgot to mention, if you go to the game, go to properties, and then go to compatibility, click on here and run this program in compatibility mode, disable full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator. Also click here on change DPI settings and check this box. I leave this settings, this method exactly at the end of this video because this method didn't work for me, but I hope it's gonna work for you as well. I hope it's gonna work for you. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.